Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the noise cancelling modes on the QCY Buds ANC wireless earbuds. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the QCY app, and after that we're going to make sure that the earbuds are taken out of the case in order to connect to the app, and then we're going to make sure that the earbuds have been paired to the app already. So after that, we're going to select device, click sound, and then we're going to enable noise cancelling mode. So after we've enabled noise cancelling mode, you have these few options that have appeared on the bottom under the noise cancelling button. So you have noisy, which will turn up the noise cancelling strength. You have commuting, which is the strongest option. Indoor, quiet environment, and anti-wind, which will just filter out the wind. And here you also have adaptive, which means that it will select a custom mode for you. So it will automatically select any of those modes for you. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.